Let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. I am thinking that this is based on the second part of the King Housewives of Durban Sit Down, right? Because Ujabulani wrote something here. I have not watched the part two, but Ujabulani wrote, won't be surprised. Oh, hashtag ROD Durban. Won't be surprised if Sorisha doesn't come back the next season. Excuse me, especially if they decide to bring back Maria, because she will be forced to interact with her no matter what. Now, this means Uguti, what Maria has done in part two, that you guys thought Uguti, it's going to be a boring part two. It's giving people something to talk about. So the part two is not as boring as you guys thought it's going to be. And it seems like Maria is the one in the hot seat. It's not Jojo this time. We thank God. But Maria is the one being fried. Let us go watch. We'll come back. Like, share, subscribe.